If you want to have really beautiful, glowing skin, you have to think outside the box. I spent $300, that's right, $300 cash on a service that comes with a 10-year warranty and is proven to protect you from UV rays. If you want to know what that is, it's probably not what you're thinking. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, let me just spill the tea right away. No, I did not get a facial. I didn't get any type of surgery or fillers or anything like that. I did none of that in order to protect my skin for up to 10 years is the warranty. I got my car windows tinted. I got them tinted and it is going to protect me even further because yes, I do wear sunscreen. Yes, I do reapply sunscreen. I will tell you right now, I've noticed such a difference because when I get in somebody else's car that doesn't have their windows tinted like me, now I'm realizing it. So I get in to a different car and I'm like squinting more. So I'm kind of frowning right here, which is gonna create wrinkles. Even though I have sunscreen on, you're gonna get more sun exposure if your windows are not tinted, right? So that's probably going to help not age as quickly. And also by having tinted windows, the sun doesn't just damage your face, your skin, it also damages your clothing. It's gonna make them fade faster. It's going to make your interior fade faster. The materials, whether that be your seats, the fabrics, the leathers, the dashboard. It really is something that's very protective, not only for you, the occupants inside, but also for your vehicle. So I found a place local to me. It's just a guy that has his own business that started doing it. I really like to support really small local businesses. I really like to give my money to somebody that has set things up for themselves. Yes, sometimes I do buy from big corporations. You know, I feel like I'm forced to for certain things. But if I can, I'd rather support the local guy or girl. So I got my windows tinted. It was $300. I did 35%, which is the legal limit where I live. He did say that a lot of people will do 30% and, you know, you can't really tell the difference. But I said, you know what, I'll do the legal limit. And I love the way that it came out, as you can see from the pictures here. But when I'm inside, I am not squinting as much. I don't even feel like I need sunglasses as often. So that's definitely really good extra protection. And then when I come out of a store or whatever, and my car's been sitting there for a while in the hot sun, the interior is not hot. It's crazy. Like I had the AC on and I got back in my car like a half hour later and I could still kind of feel that air-conditioned air. Yeah, I highly recommend it. I think it's such a good investment instead of, you know, some of these other procedures that you can get. If you guys want a video talking more about procedures and the costs and things like that, let me know. I've not had any procedures done, so I can't give like a personal experience, but I can give you a breakdown of what procedures I think would be good for you. Because I talk to my dermatologist a lot and they do have a lot of things. And, you know, a couple of the skin concerns that I have this hyperpigmentation here. And if I don't use alpha-arbutin, it comes back. And so she said, you know, that's how skincare works. You have to constantly apply it to continue to get that result. And so she said if you don't want to do that, you can do some sort of laser treatments or fractional lasers or chemical peels and things like that. If you want a video about that, let me know. But yeah, I decided to go ahead, spend $300 to, one, it makes my car look better. Two, it's helping protect me inside. It helps protect my skin, my clothing from fading, from getting skin damage. And it's protecting the interior of the car too. I guess it's helping saving gas too, because if it's cooler inside and you use less AC, you use less gas too. So overall, I think it was definitely worth it, and it's a 10-year warranty. So next time that you're thinking about, should I spend $300 on a facial? Maybe you should spend $300 on a 10-year warranty tinted windows. Probably not what you thought I was going to say in this video, but I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.